Yeah, Golby.
Alright, what's going on? Back for another video. Finally starting to make a little bit of progress on the drift car. Got a package here beside me. Finally got all my forged pistons and all the goodies to rebuild the motor with. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Pretty fucking excited. Got my professional box opener. Bits.
Oh yeah.
Ordered it all from Golby's Parts up in Queensland online. Only took a couple of days to get here, which is pretty sick. Alright, what should we open first?
Dunno, get into it.
Got some conrods. So here we have some forged spool conrods.
I'll pull that back. Stickers.
Stickers! Don't know what that is. Ooh, forgies. All wrapped up, which is a bit of a shame. Should I get one out? I'll sit them aside for now. Set them over there. Here we have some thrust washers. Very good, exciting. Not really going to open them up. Not much to see there.
Thrust washers. What do you reckon, mate?
Get your thrust on.
Fuck yeah.
So we have some ARP bolts and studs apparently. Not sure what's actually inside. Let's have a gander. ARP stickers. Oh,
More stickers.
nah, no stickers. Oh, there we go. Sticker.
Fuck yeah.
It's all about the stickers. You only buy parts for the stickers. Bit of fastener assembly lubricant. It's always good. Washers, nuts, and studs. Not sure where these studs are actually for. I don't think they're the head studs. I reckon they're
For race cars.
I reckon they're for the main studs. I reckon. Work that out later.
What else we got in here? Another box of bolts and studs.
Bolts and studs.
Studs. Just out of curiosity. Notice this box is needed for exchange or warranty. You must have the weight, date and package number from this box for all warranties and exchanges. Interesting.
The weight, guys.
The weight.
Same studs.
So I need weight. They are the same.
Oh no,
Interesting.
they're shorter, heaps shorter.
Oh yeah, they are too.
Head studs.
Nah, maybe not. Fuck. I don't know. Head studs, main studs. We got studs. Studs for everyone. Studs. You get another sticker? Surely they can just give me one sticker.
Bearings.
Bearings.
Race bearings.
ACL race bearings. Some more ACL race bearings. That also look the same. These. Don't know, work that out later. Covered draft. Hit me in the DMs. Oh, what do we got next? This looks like pistons, considering it says Ross Racing Pistons on the top of it in big writing. This is what makes you go real fast without going bang.
All these.
Like the last motor. Alrighty. Four pistons for 4 cylinders. Rings supplied. What's this? Bit of a installation manual. Doesn't hurt. tells you where they recommend the ring gaps to sit on the piston. Bit of information probably come in handy, considering I don't really know what I'm doing and I'm just shooting in the dark. We'll keep that. Let's get one of these pistons out, have a look at the jewels.
Wrapped so nicely.
There she is. Oh, Mickey Mouse. It's already got the whatever you call it pins sitting in there, and there's the snap rings to put on either side. I've seen videos of people putting them in, they seem like fun. They flick out of there and go flying across the room, but we'll work it out. Obviously going to need a bit of assembly lube on these. Oh, it's a nice fitment though. So crisp. Oh, yeah. We have the 0.5, because it's 0.5 of a mil larger than standard. Arrow of the front of the engine, which way they go, and some other codes that means who knows what. Distance acquired. Always stay hydrated. What else have we got in here? I'm starting to forget now. What is this?
Oil pump.
Genuine parts. Possibly the oil pump, I would think. I'm surprised there's no bubble wrap. Seems a bit dicey. And everything else though, but I suppose they're in their own boxes and whatnot. Never cut towards yourself.
Nope, otherwise you get these ones.
Yeah, fuck.
Oil pump. Looking nice. Should supply a decent amount of oil. Just standard oil pump. Spanker. Don't think I really need to get it out of the packaging.
Probably not.
Keep it clean for when it comes to actually installing it. Very good. I've still got a few things to order, like a water pump and other bits and pieces. I just thought I'd get the main things to get us moving along. And this will be our gasket kit. Cometic, it's supposed to be Cometic. Street Pro by Cometic gasket. Well, most of the gaskets I'll need, if not all of them. Plate of gaskets. Yummy. Sticker.
Street Pro.
Ross didn't even give us a sticker. Where's me Ross sticker? Feel a bit let down there. So what do we got here? In this pack of goodies we have our multi-layer steel head gasket by Cometic. Don't know what thickness it is, whatever it says somewhere. I don't know. We got a rock cover gasket, all our little seals and crush washers, plug gasket, intake gasket, multi-layered steel exhaust gasket, all our little bullet necks and turbo to manifold gasket, which I won't be able to use because I've got a T3 turbo gasket at the moment, or flange. Oh, it's got a idle air control valve gasket. Gaskets for everything pretty much, everything you can think of. Throttle body, which also I won't be able to use because I've got a 3-inch throttle body. Oh, gaskets. Well, there's the parts. Not a bad way to spend $3 grand.
Not a bad way to spend $10,000.
Yeah, I'm broke as fuck. Check back in 2 months.
That's good. Well, there you have it. Got all the bits to make an SR that hopefully won't go bang on the first lap. So, pretty keen to start assembling it. I got to drop the pistons and rods and bearings off to the bloke that's machining it, so he can just finalise the machining, make sure it's perfect to suit the parts that I've actually got here, and I'll get it all back off him and then throw it together, make some power. Alright, well that'll probably do for this video, I think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the fucking like button, and I'll see you in the next part where I continue building an engine that is going to make some fucking power.
Woo! Fuckity fuck fuck!
Fucking fuck.
Fuck you too.
I was walking down the street when out the corner of my eye I saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company? If you could pay the right price, your evening will be nice, and you can go and send me on my way. I said, you're such a sweet young thing, why you do this to yourself? She looked at me and this is what she said. Oh, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. I know I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could. I know there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good. Not even 15 minutes later, I'm still walking down the street when I saw the shadow of a man creep by the side. And then he swept up from behind, he put a gun up to my head. He made it clear he wasn't looking for a bride. He said, give me all you got. I want your money, not your life. But you try to make a move, I won't think twice. I told him you could have my cash, but first you know I got